In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find saved reels on Facebook. If you've ever saved a reel to watch later and then had trouble finding it again, don't worry. Facebook keeps your saved content together in one place, but depending on your layout, the option can be a little easy to miss. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly access the reels you've already saved. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're on the main Facebook home screen before moving to the next part, since that's where the menu you need is usually easiest to find. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In that menu, find the option called Saved and click on it. This is the section where Facebook stores posts videos, links, and reels that you've chosen to save for later. If you don't immediately see saved in the left side menu, click See More first. Facebook sometimes hides less frequently used options, so expanding that menu will usually reveal it. After you open the saved section, take a moment to look through the items Facebook has stored there. This area may include different types of content, not just reels, so you may need to scroll a little if you've saved a lot of things over time. Keep an eye out for the reel you want to watch. In many cases, the thumbnail or preview will help you recognize it faster. Once you locate the reel, simply click on it to open and play it. From there, you can watch it again just like you normally would. If you're trying to organize your saved content better in the future, it can also help to remember what you've saved recently, since the saved section can fill up quickly if you use Facebook often. That's all it takes to find saved reels on Facebook. Open Facebook in your browser, log in, go to the saved section from the left-hand menu, click See More if needed, browse your saved items, and select the reel you want to watch. It's a simple process once you know where the saved area is located. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you find your saved reels quickly and easily.